Our home remodeling journey, lessons learned. Home remodeling can be a daunting task, but it can also be a rewarding experience. My family and I recently embarked on a home remodeling journey, and it was a roller coaster ride filled with ups and downs. However, we learned valuable lessons along the way that we would like to share with you. Set realistic goals. Before you start any home remodeling project, it is crucial to set realistic goals. You need to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and how much money and time you are willing to invest. Do your research and create a detailed plan that includes a timeline, budget, and a list of tasks that need to be completed. By setting realistic goals, you can avoid overextending yourself and prevent disappointment and frustration. Hire a professional contractor. One of the most significant lessons we learned is that it pays to hire a professional contractor. Home remodeling involves many different tasks, such as electrical work, plumbing, and carpentry. Unless you are an expert in these fields, it is best to leave the work to the professionals. A good contractor will provide you with a detailed estimate and timeline, and they will handle all the necessary permits and inspections. Communication is key. Effective communication is crucial when working with a contractor or a team of professionals. Make sure to discuss your expectations and concerns with them and keep them informed of any changes or problems that may arise. A good contractor will keep you updated on the progress of the project and will be responsive to your needs. Be prepared for the unexpected. No matter how well you plan, unexpected problems will arise during the home remodeling process. Be prepared for delays, unexpected costs, and changes to the original plan. Try to be flexible and open-minded, and have a contingency plan in place to deal with any unforeseen issues. Choose quality materials. Choosing quality materials is essential when remodeling your home. Cheap or low-quality materials may save you money in the short term, but they may end up costing you more in the long run. Quality materials will last longer, require less maintenance, and add value to your home. Take safety precautions. Home remodeling can be dangerous, especially if you are working with power tools or handling hazardous materials. Always take safety precautions and wear protective gear such as goggles, gloves, and a respirator. Keep children and pets away from the work area, and make sure to follow all safety guidelines and regulations. Don't skimp on design. When remodeling your home, don't skimp on design. A well-designed space will not only look better, but it will also be more functional and comfortable. Consider hiring an interior designer to help you create a cohesive and stylish look that reflects your personality and lifestyle. Take care of yourself. Home remodeling can be stressful and exhausting, both physically and mentally. Make sure to take care of yourself by getting enough rest, eating well, and taking breaks when you need them. Home remodeling is a marathon, not a sprint, so pace yourself and don't overdo it. In conclusion, home remodeling can be a challenging but rewarding experience. By setting realistic goals, hiring a professional contractor, communicating effectively, being prepared for the unexpected, choosing quality materials, taking safety precautions, not skimping on design, and taking care of yourself, you can turn your home remodeling project into a success. Remember to enjoy the process and take pride in the final result.